Hello everyone, let's continue. In the previous video, we created node groups. We set up two EC2 instances, and they automatically appear in the nodes section, ready to be used in our EKS cluster. We have successfully configured this part. Next, we will apply the YAML files for our application. Let's open the code editor. Here, there is a folder called Kubernetes. It contains two files, one for the auth microservice and another for the user's microservice. For the auth microservice, its service uses ClusterIP, meaning it can only be accessed internally by pods within the cluster. The auth microservice uses an image I previously built and pushed to Docker Hub. So on Docker Hub, you will find kubectl microservice and also kubeusers microservice. And this is for the user's microservice. To build the image, go into the respective folder. For example, the auth API folder. So we have three folders here: the auth API, Kubernetes, and users API. Let's go into the auth folder, for instance. Inside, there's a Docker file. We built the image with the command docker build -t, your Docker Hub username, and then the name of the image. Here I use kube auth microservice, and then followed by a dot. That's for building it. The process is the same for the user's API microservice. After building, we push it to Docker Hub with the command docker push and then your Docker username and the name of the image. But I've already done this beforehand, so now we will apply the microservices that we have created. From the EKS cluster we set up, we will apply auth.yaml and also users.yaml. This will create service and deployment in EKS cluster. Let's go straight into Kubernetes folder. And we will apply them with the commands kubectl apply -f auth YAML and -f users.yaml. Enter. These have been successfully created: the service for auth, then the service for users, followed by the deployment for auth and the deployment for users. Let's check with kubectl get deployments. Yes, they are being processed and are now ready. Let's also check the services with the command kubectl get services. Here there are. We have created the auth service with ClusterIP and the user service with LoadBalancer. The LoadBalancer means it's internet facing, so it can be accessed from the internet. This is the URL that we will use later. Let's also check if the pods are all up. kubectl get pods. The pods are up and running there. Let's take a look in the console. Go to the Resources tab, check the pods. Here they are. The pods have been created. Let's see the deployments for the auth and also the users. are also ready. All right, in the next video, we will act as a developer. Yeah, accessing this cluster to create users and log in using the URL from the load balancer services. We'll continue in the next video.